I've come up with a new goal in life. Told someone today at the gym, I'm only going to work with clients who have beach houses.
Ooh, that's a good goal. I think it's always...
I don't think that's going to be
might
reality.
Might not be completely attainable, but, you know, it's always
And that
good
doesn't
to
mean
set
don't
those
call
goals.
me and still work with me if you don't have a beach house.
Yeah.
I'm just saying it's a good goal.
Hey guys, I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron, and we are Vocal Lab Collective. Why was that awkward?
I don't know.
I don't
but
either.
I felt like maybe because I started it off. Usually you start it off.
I think that was it.
I'm sorry.
Something felt... No, it's fine. You can start it off. But it threw the sync off.
It did. I didn't sync it correctly.
Yeah, we didn't know what we were doing.
But we know what we're doing today.
Yeah, we're hanging out.
Having wine. Guys, I ditched the Moscow Mule for the next little bit. Just red wine is always so classic.
Yeah, totally. It's so classic.
Yeah.
You look so tan.
Thank you. My tan is fake. Your tan, however, is real. At the beach for 2 weeks with a client.
I need sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fantastic. 2 weeks at the beach with clients.
Just living the life.
Living the life. I've come up with a new goal in life. Told someone today at the gym, I'm only going to work with clients who have beach houses.
Ooh, that's a good goal. I think it's always...
I don't think that's going to be reality.
Might not be completely attainable, but, you know, it's always
And that
good
doesn't
to
mean
set
don't
those
call
goals.
me and still work with me if you don't have a beach house.
Yeah.
I'm just saying it's a good goal, right?
It is a good goal.
No, it was great. It was great. 2 weeks at the beach, just hanging, chilling, making a little bit of music, doing the stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you are not ghostly next to me.
No, I'm not ghostly. I've been stuck in the studio with clients in the studio, getting everything done with our artist development program. So I had to put the fake and bake on. But I do have vacation coming up in 2 months.
Ooh, nice. That was a long time.
It's a long time. We're getting through the summer.
Well, you know where I think we should go on vacation today?
Hang on. I'm reading your mind. South Korea.
Yeah! South Korea.
But first, hit that subscribe button.
Oh, hit that button.
Follow us on Facebook, Patreon, Instagram. You guys, we get your messages.
Yeah.
We love getting your DMs.
TikTok.
I've got to catch up on some.
We got to catch up on TikTok. We've been kind of slow, guys.
We've been slacking.
But follow us. We're there.
Yeah.
But we do, regardless of where, I can tell you this, today I sat down to make a list we're doing 10 videos today, all in a row, and so all 10 of these came from, except for one, all 10 came from suggestions.
Yeah.
That you have sent in either on YouTube making a comment, or you've hit up our DMs on Instagram or something.
Or Facebook, whatever it may be.
Yeah.
So keep that up. Share with your friends and subscribe here.
Yeah. And that's why we're here today with what's your favorite cake? What's your favorite? Yes, what's your favorite cake?
Oh my gosh, I love red velvet.
Oh, is that really your favorite?
No.
Oh.
Did I mess something up?
No, you didn't mess up at all.
You set me up, and I think I just popped it.
That wasn't a setup. Mine actually is red velvet.
Oh, okay.
What's your favorite cake?
I actually don't like cake.
Oh no.
I don't, you guys.
Who doesn't like cake?
I like cinnamon rolls.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not a cake person.
Okay, cool. Fair.
But you put a cinnamon roll in front of me? But anyways, let's get back to that red velvet.
I love red velvet cake. So, point of saying that is, today a new group introduced to us through, actually on YouTube, it was a comment on YouTube, Red Velvet from South Korea, and this is Queendom. Let's get to it.
I love the color scheme of their
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
I have no idea what's about to happen.
Okay, she's just walking living dark right now.
I love these colors. It's happy. Hands up higher, Katie. This is what they're telling us to do.
I want to wear that captain. Beautiful.
Oh, cool.
These visuals are incredible.
We strong, nothing missing. Wake up, 답은 simple. Big boss, 불어 whistle. 더 큰 세상이 너를 주목해. 천재를 열어볼까? 난 너의 손을 잡아. 기다린 지금이야. 너도 펼쳐봐. 놀라, my carnival. Next, 지금부터야. We are making the rules. 'Cause we are queens and kings. 손을 다 높이 모일수록 아름답게 shining.
Yeah. Catchy. So catchy. Whoa.
Nice.
Yeah. Now they're in space.
Wow.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was really fun.
Talk
Okay, so
to me.
for one thing, I it actually took me a second because I kind of got put back into like my young teen ages with S Club 7 actually.
Oh, wow.
Because this is so easy to listen to, right? This is
Yeah.
as a young teen, especially or in your teens, young 20s, like you just want to put the, roll the windows down, listen to a song that's easy to digest, fun, uplifting, and just makes you feel good too. And I think this is one of those songs.
Totally. It made me, that was a great comparison. It made me think of little Katy Perry.
Yeah.
Right? Especially the visuals.
Yeah.
It was really cool because there was like a little Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory. There was a little Wizard of Oz.
Mm-hmm.
There was a little bit of, then it went to space. There was a little Alice in Wonderland at the table at one point. There's a lot of really cool classic, like generationally classic like visuals that they pulled to the song, which really enhanced the whole thing for me.
Yeah, I agree.
And in fact, it was little moments where some of the background vocals were just going like crazy.
Yeah.
That actually pulled me back into like some of the vocals, right?
Some of the vocals,
because
yeah.
they're, so tight together, obviously. And solid standout vocals from each and every one of them. But it was really some of those BGVs and some of the ad-lib stuff that was extra cool for me.
The main melody part of it was actually very simple and had those pops here and there, which I think also does make it easy to listen to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I agree. There were those really good ad-libs.
Yeah, they were fantastic.
Up that were so good.
I kept thinking, is there a way that we can make a vocal exercise for La Biba Dida Da Diba or whatever that was?
We can
there
figure
has
it out.
to be. We can right?
definitely figure it out.
There's maybe we can do like a vocal tip from this song with La Diba Diba Badiba.
But that
Do you remember what it was?
No.
It's just what do you think it was?
I don't. But here's the thing too. You just wanted to humiliate me.
No, I did not. I was really
But
trying
here's
to
the thing
remember
too, you guys. Even if your, whatever your melody, your main melody is on your song, ad-libs are really important.
They are.
Because it adds this whole other dynamic to your song and really brings it to life in support and style and all of that.
Totally. And I'll say this too, like, if you're not good at ad-libs, that's okay.
Yeah.
Like, there'll
You
be,
learn.
bring
You totally
people,
learn.
well, you can learn, but also have people on your team who are good at them. Mm-hmm. Right? Sometimes the producers can be good at ad-libs. Yeah. A vocal producer can be really good at them. Or there may be just someone on the songwriting team.
Yeah.
Or something else that can be like, oh, I think this would be cool there.
Yeah,
so
they just hear something different.
Yeah, don't put pressure on yourself if that's not your gift.
Totally.
Because you can learn it, but there are people who are really great at ad libs.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like I hear people talk a lot too about harmonies. Harmonies are really important. I think as you develop your vocal overall, it's really important to know how to do harmonies. Mm-hmm. But I see way too many people get stressed out when they don't know how.
Yeah.
And then it's like they're like they get kind of like they kind of freeze, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they don't move into a place where they could even begin to maybe learn harmonies.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's just training your ear to like, and your mind to hear and think a little differently.
Yeah.
It's totally what I have to do hanging out with Katie all the time, because the way she talks and what she says sometimes, like, what was that?
I know, I'm so intellectual and smart that it takes me a second.
Well played.
Thank you.
Hey, I loved Queendom.
I loved them. I loved them.
Yeah. We should have called it the Vocal Lab. No, that's not going to work.
You know what? It takes
a queendom.
It takes a queendom
to
know your kingdom. I don't know.
We
but
tried really hard.
I want to tie back to ad libs for 1 second, because you've
heard
heard us.
Back in.
I know I want to tie it back in. You've heard us in other videos, like when it comes to your style and discovering your style and all of that, to let yourself mess up.
Yes,
that's where you find great ad libs. Is just playing the track and play y'all's favorite tracks with your favorite artists, and just play around with melody of like some oohs, some ahs, and maybe there's a minor right here, or you're gonna do a lick and run here, or just you float over it. Doesn't,
or some la dee ba doo ba da
la dee ba da ba doo ba dee ba dee ba do ba dee da. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, but it was great.
In the meantime,
I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
I made you start that one. We
You
totally
sure
did flip flop.
We flipped it.
We